Good morning, everyone. This is Warwick Smith from American Pacific alongside Eric Saderholm. Excited to have a conversation with you today about the press release that we've just put out on the Downhole Geophysics that we've received from our partners over at Kennecott Rio Tinto. They've done some excellent work over there. Very, very pleased with what we're seeing. And essentially what we're seeing is that it looks like the mineralization continues down below where the drill holes have finished and along laterally as well within the skarn system. That's incredibly exciting for us and leads us to what we hope for is more drill holes next year where they come down and chase this up. Eric, maybe you want to chime in and talk a bit about what you're excited about in this release.
Well, this is a relatively new technology. It's called EM, so it's electromagnetic, but you drop it down into a hole that you're drilling, and it gives you a response that you normally wouldn't be able to get from the surface. So it's a new powerful tool. What it's showing us is that it looks like the massive sulfide associated with the skarn projects itself to depth. So it's really showing up well. And that to us is exciting because our highest grades of gold and copper generally are associated with the massive sulfide. So in a nutshell, this looks really good. We really look forward to seeing the final product here, but this is very encouraging for future drilling.
Yeah, if you look at our presentation on the website, you'll see a slide that shows all the different type of rock that runs at Madison, and the massive sulfide is one that we've honed in on and spoken about, in different investor meetings. It's a very dense rock, and when it runs, you can put a lot of tons in a short period of time. The best drill hole from last year was 1.5 meters of 69 grams per ton gold, and that was within the massive sulfides. It's also fairly unique within this type of system that the massive sulfide runs, Eric. That's correct.
Yes, I've seen a lot of massive sulfide associated with skarns and contact metamorphic deposits. Generally, it doesn't run well. Here it does, which just is, once again, it's an indicator of how powerful the system is. The jasperoids run higher grade, the massive sulfide one runs higher grade. It's a uniquely high grade system. And we're very happy and we really want to get moving on this next year. So the targets are already coming out and it's looking real good. I think I'm very pleased with the results for this year.
Yeah, absolutely. Look, that combined with the fact that, we've talked internally a little bit about that Rio's picked up a big, large claim package in and around our project. And then just recently in the news, it came out that Rio themselves have done a deal with the U.S. Geologic Survey. And this is the first time that the U.S. Geologic Survey has ever done a deal with a private company. And essentially what they're doing is they're going to do a flyover of the vast majority of southwestern Montana, which is where we are located. I think those are all, good indications for us as things drive forward that Montana, in particular where we are, is very prospective, and Rio is showing real interest on that. Eric, I'll let you chime in on that too.
Yeah, this is an unprecedented deal that they've done with the USGS, and once again a huge commitment to the area, not just the Madison area, but the whole greater area between Butte and our projects. So it's very exciting that they're making this commitment. I'm very pleased.
Yeah, absolutely. So look, that and the other thing that we're waiting on is they did a drone magnetic survey over our property as well. That's going to help a lot with targeting too. When we get those results, we'll get those out to the market here as well. So lots of news coming. Still drill holes pending, the drone results pending. Lots of things coming from Madison. Things are going well at Gooseberry. Eric's been working hard over at Tuscarora to get ready there for when we're done at Gooseberry. That drill will move to Tuscarora. So significant news coming forward. That's it for today. We'll keep it short and sweet, but just wanted to relay our excitement with what we're seeing down at Madison at the moment, and everything that's coming forward in the other two projects as well. So thank you for your time. This is Warwick and Eric signing off.